Namaste, welcome to Paru Yoga. I am Paru. Let us practice yoga to quickly stretch our full body. For more yoga and workouts, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Let's get started. Lay down on your back with knees folded and hands laying on the floor. Inhale, raise your right leg and exhale to lower it. Inhale, left leg up and exhale to lower down. Do this for a couple of more times. Now next, bridge pose. Inhale, gently raise your hips. Exhale, spread your knees and inhale, come back to the center. Spread your knees and inhale, come back to the center. Exhale to lower the hips down. You may do this for a couple of more times and rest. While in the same pose, inhale, exhale, gently spread your knees and inhale to come back to the center. Spread your knees and inhale, come back to the center. Do this for a couple of more times. Inhale to raise your right leg few inches above the floor. Hold for few seconds and exhale to lower it down. Next leg. You may do this for a couple of more times. Now be on your knees and hands are directly under the shoulders. Come to the neutral and come to the cat pose. And go to cow pose. One more time. Do this for a couple of more times. Inhale to raise one hand and next leg. Push hand forward and leg back. Exhale, elbow and the knees comes inside. Change the hands and legs. Couple of more times. Sit on your heels. Spread your knees and lower your body. Inhale and exhale. Left hand forward followed by the right. Forehead touches the floor and breathe normally. Be here for few seconds. Now take few hand steps to the right. Feel the stretches in your upper body. Hold. Come back to the center and to the left. Hold. To the center. One more time. You may repeat this couple of more times. Now come to the child's pose. Inhale and exhale through the nose. Inhale up and exhale, release. Be in a comfortable seated pose. Inhale deep, exhale, twist your upper body to the left, left hand to the back, right hand on left knee. You are facing back. Hold hands and inhale, come to the center. Inhale and exhale, twist to the right, right hand on the back, left hand on right knee. Hold, inhale, come back to the center. One more time. You may do this for a couple of more times. Lay down on your stomach, heads down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale to raise your right hand and left leg. Right hand is straight, raised slightly. Hold and exhale to lower them down. Next, inhale to raise your left hand and right leg and exhale to lower them down. Breathe normally. Now exhale, rest your both hands and legs. Exhale, raise your both hands and legs. Hold for few seconds and exhale to lower them down. One more time. You may do this for a couple of more times. Now Bhujangasana. You are on your stomach. Inhale and exhale, toes laying on the floor. Inhale, slowly raise your upper body with the support of your hands. You are facing forward. Keep breathing. Hold for few seconds and exhale to lower your body. Once more. Breathe normally. Hold for few seconds and exhale to lower your body. Downward facing dog to high plank. Inhale and exhale. Gently raise to be in downward dog. Find some gentle motion. And inhale, slowly move into high plank. Exhale, come back to the downward dog. Once more. Breathe normally. Exhale and lower your knees to release and rest. Face to the front of mat. For mini back bend, sit on your heels. Back is straight. Inhale, send them back to open your chest. Head is high. Hold. Exhale, come back to the center. Do this for a couple of more times. Inhale and spread your hands wide. Chest opens wide. Hold and exhale. Come back to the center and hug yourself deeply. Hold. Exhale to release. You may do this for a couple of more times. Sit on your heels. Inhale and exhale. Slowly take few steps to the front using your hands to be in puppy pose. Your thighs are vertical to the floor. Forehead touches the mat and hands are straight to the front. Keep breathing. Hold for few seconds. Thank you all for joining me in this video. How do you feel now? Please comment below. If you like this video, share it with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Namaste.